Hola! Today I want to show you how to take care of your OKU Desk to keep it working at its optimum. In the user manual, you'll find the maintenance plan with the daily, quarterly, and biannual recommendations. Now I'm going to show you how to do all of these processes step by step. Let's get started! First, I'm going to show you what you should be doing most frequently. Some of these processes are better if you do them every time you use the machine. Let's start by cleaning the lenses. We recommend doing it quite often. Moisten one end of a cotton swab with alcohol and clean off the lens. Do it carefully and gently. With the other end of the swab, dry the excess of alcohol. In case there's a lot of dirt, we can repeat the process a couple of times. The next step will be cleaning the laser cartridge. Use some paper moistened with alcohol and clean off the dirt of the cartridge. We also need to clean the PCB connectors. It's very simple. Just use a piece of paper or cotton cloth with alcohol and pass it through this area. It's not necessary to use a lot of alcohol, just enough to moisten it. Make sure it's dry right after you do it. Also, make sure the laser head rear connectors are slightly out but not bent to the sides. Now it's time to clean the base or honeycomb by vacuuming the working area. We can also remove the honeycomb. It's enough to just lift the machine, pressing the honeycomb upwards to remove it from the base. Turn the honeycomb upside down, tap it gently on the back to remove any dirt or material that might be stuck. Then, just place the honeycomb back into the machine. Another key point is checking the tension of these three belts. The first one goes inside the head laser bar and the other two on the left and right sides. Check the first belt tension using an Allen key and applying a little force. Very little, just enough to notice it's tight instead of loose. Same with the side belts. Check they move a little and still keep the tension. If you need to make any adjustments, just tighten or loosen the screws placed at the end of the belt. We have to tighten to the right and loosen to the left. The belt screws are less accessible and the position to manipulate them is a bit awkward, so tighten or loosen in short movements. To make it easier, we recommend using an Allen key with a long handle, like the one in this video. We can move the axes by hand, confirming their movement is smooth without any vibrations or strange noises. The next thing is reviewing the cooling and ventilation systems. First, check that the laser head fans move smoothly and that they are not blocked. If they are really dirty inside, you might need to blow them out with compressed air. Now it's turn to check the ventilation system. We need to make sure the grid, the fan and the turbine are clean and without any blockage. If necessary, we use a vacuum cleaner to remove the dirt. The turbine can also be checked by turning on the machine and the extraction system, verifying it's not obstructed and the air flows correctly. Another main point in the maintenance of the OKU Desk is to carry out a more thorough cleaning of the working area. Weekly, or depending on the use or the materials that you usually work with, it's convenient to remove all the residues accumulated inside the machine. You just need a piece of paper moistened with alcohol to clean all the walls. If a deeper honeycomb cleaning is needed, put it out and apply degreaser to help remove the dirt, eliminate the excess with a piece of paper, and then put the honeycomb back. And that's it! Sometimes the honeycomb just becomes damaged. If that's your case, we recommend you to contact Nomad and change it for a new one. Check that the laser head fans move smoothly and that they are not blocked. If they are really dirty inside, you might need to blow them out with compressed air. Twice a year approximately, it's recommended to grease the linear bearings on all sides of the machine. This maintenance will guarantee your OKU Desk moves correctly. The process is very simple. Moisten a piece of paper with alcohol and pass it through the guides as many times as necessary until the remaining dirt is removed. Move the laser head to clean off easily and in detail. The last step is greasing the linear bearings by putting a few drops of machinery lubricating oil. Spread it gently by sliding the laser head along the guides. Then, put a drop on paper and apply it at the bottom of the guides. Remove the excess of oil with some more paper. Okay, that's it. What do you think about this OKU Desk maintenance tutorial? Do you find it useful? Let us know in the comments. Don't hesitate to reach out to our technical support team. The link will be available on our website. And remember, subscribe to our channel and enjoy all of the projects we make with our machines. You can also follow us on social media. Find us as Nomad Technologies. Hasta luego.